Disgusting!
It's gonna be 7 o'clock. And I did not want to sleep. I did not want to sleep. No. Hi. Good morning. The sun, like, literally. Here we go, December. It's 7:22. And I'm about to go probably do some meditate and do some yoga. I'm really thirsty. But I need some water. But I want some lemonade. And I'm going to eat some breakfast. Get fashioned up, and I'm going to start doing my homework around 10 or 11. So we had this like a little table outside that I could use for doing my homework. Yeah, it's so pretty. I do need to clean up in my room. It's very messy. I need to do that like right now. But I'm gonna go meditate. Okay, so I just finished cleaning up and it's so clean. I am so proud of it. I'm so happy because I can move around. I mean, it wasn't that dirty, but still, it's clean. I did finish meditate. Wait, let's see what time it's in. You can see it is 8:14. It's 8. I'm about to go get me some lemonade. I'm so thirsty. But yeah, I'm just going to my I cleaned it. Yeah, my little corner right here with my desk and a chair. My closet. My bed. I just didn't like the floor is clean. But yeah, I'm gonna go and get some lemonade to chill out for a second, and then eat me some breakfast. I might make some coffee. I might, and then I'll go get fashioned up. I'll see y'all later. Okay. So I am outside. I gotta go to my homework. Okay, so I went to sleep at 10. Yes, I messed that up. I went to sleep at 10. I supposed to stay up till the whole morning. But it's okay. But yeah, I'm gonna go to my homework and I need to post something out on Instagram that I had a picture to show. But right now it is, I'll show you the time. Yes, it's 1:15. So I'm about to go do my homework and I'm about to post a new pic on Instagram Okay, so it's really nothing crazy on my list as you can see, but I do gotta post a new picture on Instagram. I could show y'all that now, but yeah, I'll be posting Instagram, new picture on Instagram. You know, gotta eat breakfast, coffee, gotta do my homework, the board, and cleaning up. I need to clean up my closet. I need to put up clothes in my closet and yeah, and I got something to plan with. Nothing really crazy today, you know. Tomorrow, hopefully, we do something. We might. We might. Right now, it's 7:42. So, I give it to y'all when this massage is done. It's 6:05. I literally wake up at 6 o'clock. Believe me. I was just watching TV, but I forgot to show y'all. Okay, so it's 6:45. My flashlight, my flashlight's my phone. It's, ooh, girl. It says 47 and today is Thursday. I'll be honest, y'all. Yesterday, Wednesday, I did wake up at 6 a.m. But I went right back to sleep. So pretty much I missed like a day one, I would say. I don't know. But I'll try to stay up all the way to the morning. I do have some less to do. I probably saw on camera, I probably saw off on camera. I don't know. It's just, we don't want to show y'all. Oh, the sunrise is so pretty. Y'all really can't see on camera. No, it's not doing any justice for it. Anyway, but yeah, that's pretty much it. I will get back to y'all later. Last day is last week. It's Friday for the, it's the last day for the waking up at 6 a.m. every week. It is the last day. But I didn't wake up this time. I didn't wake up at 6 a.m. for the Friday because my sister was off today and she was off today and I didn't want to wake her up because she go to work. She be going to work at 4 o'clock a.m. But I will say I will do this challenge again because on Wednesday I did wake up at 6 a.m. on Wednesday, but I went right back to sleep. I didn't did nothing. But like after afternoon I did. But I would say this channel is really good. If you want to be productive, it will be entertaining in the morning when you want to get done. But yeah, that was it for the video. I hope that y'all like it. I know I failed on Wednesday and I suck at it. But I definitely will do this again. Maybe next time. But I will start waking up to plan. For me. Not for the video, for me. But I will want to do this video again. It was fun to film. Pretty much it for the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful day. See ya.